So this is how you can modify multiple ledgers at once. One important thing that you must remember is that you cannot delete a ledger in multi-ledger alteration screen. You can delete the ledger only in single ledger alteration screen. So that's all about ledger alteration and deletion. Now there is one more option left to be discussed, which is related to ledgers. Press the escape key until you reach the ledger menu and select the option display under multiple ledgers and select all items. So the option display will let you view all the ledgers without modifying anything. So sometimes we may accidentally make changes which we don't intend to do. So in such cases you can use the display option to view the ledgers which you have created. So here you cannot make any changes, you can just view the ledgers which are existing.